Ayahuasca, the powerful Amazonian brew that contains the psychedelic compound DMT, has gained popularity in recent years as a tool for spiritual exploration and personal growth. However, with its rise in popularity, concerns about its safety have also emerged. In this video, we will explore the dangers of ayahuasca and what you need to know to make your experience as safe as possible. Firstly, it's important to note that ayahuasca is not without risks. While it can be a transformative and healing experience for some, it can also be dangerous, especially if taken without proper preparation and guidance. Some of the potential risks associated with ayahuasca include physical side effects like vomiting, diarrhea, and dehydration, as well as psychological side effects as anxiety, paranoia, and psychosis. In rare cases, ayahuasca has even been associated with fatalities, though these are typically linked to underlying health issues or unsafe preparation practices. So how can you minimize the risks and ensure a safe and positive ayahuasca experience? Here are some key factors to consider. Choose a reputable and experienced shaman or facilitator. Ayahuasca is traditionally used in a ceremonial context led by a shaman or facilitator who has years of experience and training in working with the plant medicine. It's important to do your research and find a trustworthy and reputable practitioner who will guide you through the experience with care and expertise. Prepare your body and mind. Ayahuasca is a powerful substance that can have a profound impact on your physical and mental state. It's important to prepare your body and mind for the experience by following a proper dietary regimen and abstaining from certain substances like alcohol and drugs. Approach the experience with respect and intention. Ayahuasca is a sacred medicine that has been used for centuries in shamanic traditions for healing and spiritual exploration. It's important to approach the experience with respect and intention, and to be open to whatever insights or teachings may arise. Know your limits. Ayahuasca can be an intense and overwhelming experience, especially for first-timers. It's important to know your limits and to communicate with your facilitator if you feel uncomfortable or unsafe at any point during the ceremony. Seek professional medical advice. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's important to seek professional medical advice before taking ayahuasca. Some medications and medical conditions can interact negatively with ayahuasca, and it's important to understand any potential risk beforehand. While there are certainly risks associated with ayahuasca, when taken with care and intention, it can also be a transformative and healing experience. By following these guidelines and seeking out reputable and experienced practitioners, you can minimize the risks and make the most out of this powerful plant medicine. In conclusion, it's important to approach ayahuasca with caution and respect, and to seek out experienced practitioners who can guide you through the experience safely and responsibly. While it may not be for everyone, for those who feel called to explore the depths of their own consciousness and connect with something greater than themselves, ayahuasca may be a potent and profound tool for personal growth and spiritual exploration. I will see you in the next video.